Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify DC precharge resistor symptoms using OBD data, full guide step by step clearly. To verify DC precharge resistor symptoms using OBD data, start by ensuring you have the necessary tools and equipment ready. Gather your OBD2 scanner and make sure it is compatible with your vehicle. Connect the OBD2 scanner to your vehicle's diagnostic port. Turn the ignition key to the on position without starting the engine. Launch the OBD2 scanner and navigate to the Live Data section. Once in Live Data, look for voltage readings related to the DC precharge circuit. Observe the voltage levels for any abnormalities. Next, check for any related trouble codes stored in the vehicle's computer. Take note of any fault codes that may indicate issues with the precharge resistor. Clear any existing codes if necessary to reset the system for further testing. After clearing the codes, monitor the live data again. Look for changes in voltage readings after reactivating the vehicle's electrical systems. Continue to check the voltage at different stages, such as during startup and while the vehicle is running. Pay close attention to any fluctuations in voltage that may suggest resistor issues. If abnormal voltage readings persist, it's essential to inspect the precharge resistor physically. Ensure all connections are secure and free from corrosion. Conduct a resistance test on the precharge resistor using a multimeter. Compare your resistance readings to the specifications outlined in the vehicle's service manual. If the readings are outside the expected range, this may confirm a faulty precharge resistor. Document all findings and maintain a detailed record for further analysis. Finally, consult the vehicle service manual for recommended steps for replacing the resistor if necessary. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.